1. Play the stock market. Day trading is not for those who are easily scared. It requires tenacity and perseverance. It requires knowledge of the many market dynamics at work. A stock advisor wouldn't advise beginners to do this. However, if properly understood, it is a method to earn a substantial sum of real money quickly, within hours, with a modest initial commitment. When it comes to trading stocks, there are other approaches to hedging your risks. If you trade penny stocks or the stock market, make careful to set stop-loss limits to prevent any potential for significant declines. Now, if you're an experienced trader, you've probably realized that market makers frequently move stocks to exploit either our greed or our fear of failure. And to increase that anxiety and benefit themselves, they frequently drive the price of a particular stock down. When it comes to penny stocks, this is further exaggerated. So, you have to understand what you're doing and be able to analyze the market forces and make significant asset appreciation gains. Pay attention to moving averages. Often, when stocks break from 200-day moving averages, there's potential for either a large upside or a big downside. Number 2. Invest in a money-making course. One of the best investments you can ever make is in yourself. There is no money that is better spent, even though you might not be able to identify and actualize return on investment. Develop yourself. Spend money on your schooling. Read and adjust. Grow. Determine your areas of passion. On the internet, there are a lot of money-making courses. Choosing the best online course for you is the challenging part. The possibilities are boundless, ranging from ebooks to affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, and beyond. Even if there are a lot of money-making gurus on social media, not all programmers are the same. Take the time to conduct thorough research and make the decision that is best for you. 3. Trade commodities. A rare chance exists to trade commodities like gold and silver, especially when they are trading around the bottom of their 5-year range. Such metrics provide a clear picture of the potential direction of commodities. As per Fibonacci Queen, because silver is a reliable inflation hedge, the silver markets have consistently supported me and my timing. Additionally, tangible things like silver are something that people can hold on to. The price of goods is determined by economic principles. Prices rise as demand rises and supply declines. Any supply chain breakdown has a significant impact on prices. A livestock health concern, for instance, might substantially change prices when scarcity takes hold. Meat and livestock are only one type of commodity, though. Metals, energy, and agriculture are other types of commodities. To invest, you can use an exchange like the London Metal Exchange or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, as well as many others. Often, investing in commodities means investing in futures contracts. Effectively, that's a prearranged agreement to buy a specific quantity at a specific price in the future. These are leveraged contracts, providing both big upside and a potential for large downside, so exercise caution. 4. Trade cryptocurrencies. The use of cryptocurrencies is expanding. Trading them may seem hazardous, but by hedging your bets here as well, you can lessen the effects of a trade that was executed at the wrong time. Additionally, there are several sites available for trading cryptocurrencies. But educate yourself first before getting started. Look for classes on websites like Teachable, Kajabi, or Udemy, and become knowledgeable about the nuances of trading currencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and others. Even though there are more than 3,000 cryptocurrencies, only a select few are now significant. Find a market, study the trading trends, watch for long-term moving average breakouts, and start trading. To execute the trades, you can use a variety of exchanges including Coinbase, Kraken, and CEX.io. 5. Use peer-to-peer lending. These days, peer-to-peer lending is a popular investing method. Even if investing in a peer-to-peer lending network might not make you rich, it might bring in a small profit. Which platform do you use for lending? There are several options available today, but Lending Club, Peerform, and Prosper are some of the most well-liked. How does that function? Platforms for peer-to-peer lending let you lend small amounts of money to people or businesses while earning interest on the loan. You receive more money than you would if you saved it, and because the algorithms are handling a lot of the labor-intensive job for you, your investment risk is also reduced. 6. Trade options. Trade modestly and trade frequently, advises Tastyworks' Tom Sosnoff when it comes to choosing a wise investment strategy. Which type ought you to trade? Numerous vehicles are available, including Forex and stocks. When it comes to options, the optimal time to invest is approximately 15 days before the announcement of company earnings. What kind should you purchase? Money beckons. The optimal time to sell those money calls is a day before the company releases its earnings. There's just so much excitement and anticipation around earnings that it typically drives up the price, giving you a consistent winner. But don't hold through the earnings. That's a gamble you don't want to take if you're not a seasoned investor, says John Carter from Simpler Trading. Number 7. Flipped real estate contracts. Real estate investing may appear like a long-term prospect, but it's not. There are ways to flip real estate contracts for quick income using as little as $500 to $1,000 in financial commitments. How? To begin, learn how the market functions by using a system like Kent Clothier's REWW. After that, it will give you the information and resources you need to find foreclosed properties, distressed sellers, and cash buyers. The surest way to make $1 million in stocks is to go for growth and not worry so much about the price. Your chances of earning spectacular returns improves if you hop aboard companies that are generating equally spectacular sales and profit growth. And you don't need to take a flyer on small technology firms. So these are the 7 principles that I believe in and most people have used to grow their $1,000 to $1 million. So keep following them and one day you'll have what you desire. So that's all for today. But if you want more of such helpful advice, like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the subscribe button because we bring you the best of the best.